Hey folks, Mark here at RC Aviation and Crawling. Thank you very much for dropping by the channel. Well, right now we're at a different channel. Now, this was my original YouTube channel for RC. If we can get a focus, yes. My original channel, as you can see there, is Copters, Crawlers, and Planes RC Pacific Northwest. That's right, Copters, Crawlers, and Planes RC Pacific Northwest. That was my original channel. I'm no longer posting on that channel, but there's a lot of interesting content on there, I believe, if you want to check it out. And you can see the title of this video is RC Helicopter Blade 230 SV2 More Night Flying. Now, the reason I want to show you this video is I'm going to show you something that I did before, which I'm going to do again. Now, I like to fly helicopters at night. I had the Blade 230 SV2 before with a full nav lights kit. I now have currently one of my WLV 950 helicopters is equipped with nav lights. Okay, so I'm ready to night fly, and I've done a sunset flight, but I haven't done a full-on night flight. Now, one reason for that is that I've learned from previous experience. Now, first of all, wherever I fly, I'm on long grass, so I got to have a helipad. Okay, so that's the first thing. Second thing is I've learned from previous experience when you're flying at night, truly in the dark of night, and you can't see the helipad. The ground is dark; it's all in shadow. So you can't see to land. So on my previous channel, Copters, Crawlers, and Planes, RC Pacific Northwest. Man, that's a long title. No wonder I dropped that channel. Anyway, on that channel and on this video, back in 2020 is when I made this video. I decided to make a helipad with nav lights, right? So I have nav lights on the helicopter so I can know which way the helicopter is oriented at all times. And so I decided to put nav lights on my helipad so that A, I could see it in the dark to land on it, and B, not only see it, but know which way it's oriented, okay? And now the key thing with that is that, of course, with a helicopter, just like a plane, you want to take off and land into the wind. So what I did on the helipad that I built before, and the one I'm going to build very soon again, is I had a pair of flashing green lights on the front end of the helipad, which told me that's the front of the helipad. And on the rear of the helipad, at the tail end, two flashing red lights. That told me that's the tail end. Now, before I fly, and before I lay down my helipad, I would check the direction of the wind. And once I knew the direction of the wind, pre-flight, I would go ahead and orient the helipad with the front of the helipad, the green flashing lights, pointing into the wind. Okay? And then the tail end of the helipad, the flashing red lights, will confirm that's the tail end of the helipad. The green lights are the front end of the helipad, and the helipad is oriented in the wind for takeoff and landing. So again, once I'm flying, I can not only see it to land on it, the helipad, I can have my helicopter oriented into the wind using its nav lights, and I can land on the helipad into the wind, knowing that the helipad is also oriented into the wind. Okay? Gosh, that was a lot of explanation. So we're just going to look at a demonstration of that helipad here with an action cam I mounted on my Blade 230 SV2, and I'm putting FPV system on one of my Blade. I'm putting an FPV system on board my number 2 WLV 950. It's the one with the nav lights, which is this one here. Whoa, where is it? Down here. There we go. That one there. She's got nav lights on her now, and I'm putting an FPV system on her because it's a little lighter and much less bulky than an action camera. So I'm going to do that as I did here. So, and I had the camera mounted just behind and to one side of the main rotor shaft. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and watch this video, and you'll be able to see the nav light equipped helipad in use. Okay, so let's go ahead and come down here to my computer, and we'll hit start on this. Play, rather hit play. All right, and I won't narrate because there's quite a bit of sound from the rotors, which is cool. Makes it scale. All right, here we go. All right, getting ready to spool up, pair up the radio in the helicopter, plugging in the power now. I'll narrate a little bit. You can see it's quite dark. There we go. All right, here we go. You can see it's quite dark. Quite dark. And you can see the green lights flashing at the front of the helipad. And there's a black H on top of the helipad as well. All right, here we go. Hold on, you know what? I'm not in full screen. Let's do that. Theater mode. No, I'm not. I am in theater mode. Okay. Coming in for landing now. You can see the landing pad to the left. Nope, one more go around. Here we go. Nope, one more time. All right, folks, there we got her down. All right, we'll hit pause on that. All right, folks, so what you saw there is exactly what I'm going to redo again, which is the NAV light equipped helipad. And we'll do a full dark of night video demo of that after I get the helipad built. That'll take a while, but it's going to be fun. So there you go. This will give you a taste of what you can do with nav lights and a nav light equipped helipad for night flying with a helicopter. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Thanks for all your awesome content, all your enthusiasm. And when I say all your, I mean everybody in the community. Awesome, ladies and gentlemen. Signing off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.